Hi guys, welcome to javainterrogations.com. This is Andy. Today we'll write a Java program on how to count the number of ovals in a given string. I repeat once again, how to count number of ovals in a given string. I'm naming the class as oval demo and I'm writing a main method. After this, what I need to do is, first I need to take a string, input string, sysout, enter some string. So how to take the values, how to take the string from console? Scanner sc equal to new scanner system dot in. So this line is used to take the input from the console or command line. So now what I need to do is, after getting the input, first we need to read the string str equals to str dot sc dot next line. Now this sc dot next line will store the value into str. Now what we need to do is, we need to convert the string str into characters. So chars equals to str dot toChar array. This will convert the given string into characters. Okay, first we are taking the string and converting it to character array. Now we are taking the count variable. Initially the count will be 0. Now we need to iterate the characters to check how many ovals are there in a string. We need to iterate the characters to count the number of ovals in a string. So for that, whether to check each and every character is oval or not, I am using switch statement. In switch, case A colon, case E colon, copy this, so A, E, I, O, U. So if a character is any of this A, E, I, O, W, what we need to do is, we need to increment the count. Else it would be and count increase. Increment the count and give the break statement here. If the character is not in any of this A, E, I, O, U, it will go to write a default statement. And write a line here. Okay, no need to write any statements, right? Okay, break. No need of default statement because we are not writing any behavior. We are just checking the number of ovals. So no need to write any default statement here. Finally, what you will do is print the count variable. So number of ovals in string str equals to print the number of ovals. So first what we are doing, we are taking some string, converting it to character array, and we are looping each and every character and use that with switch statement. Let's run the program and see the output. So enter some string. I entered Java. So how many ovals are there in Java? 2. A. Let's run the program again. So again I am entering the string. Now I am giving core. In core, how many ovals are there? A, I, O, U. E and O are ovals. So the number of count should be 2. So this is how we write a program to count the number of ovals in a string. Hope you guys understand the video. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my videos.
Hi students, welcome to Competitive Exams Material channel. Yeah, in this video we are going to see a important Java coding interview question. Write a Java program to find the number of words in a sentence and the corresponding character. Okay. So, and the corresponding character count for that particular word. So, given an example, hello world is the string we are passing. Okay, what we need to do for this hello, we need to find the number of characters. Okay, hello, the number of characters in the hello are 5 and the number of characters in the world are 5. Okay, we have 2 words in this string. So what we need to do, we need to get the output like this, hello and 5. Okay, this is one of the very important Java interview question. So kindly carefully follow this video. Okay, first I'll be explaining you the series of steps what we are going to do, and then we'll look into the program. So for this what we need to do is, we need to split this string first of all. Okay, first we need to, before even splitting the string, what we need to do is, as everyone know, string is the collection of characters, but here if you see, we need the character count. Okay, so first what we need to do is, we need to convert this string into character array. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, what we need to do, here first we create a character array from the given string using string class toChar array method. So by using string class toChar array method, what we need to do, we need to convert this hello world string into individual characters. Okay, like this. Just I am giving an example. H and then E, comma, L, so on. Okay, till D. So what we need to do, we need to convert this string into character array. So after that, what we need to do, we need to iterate through this character array. This is the character array. We need to iterate through the character array using for loop. Okay, what we need to do is, we need to iterate through this array starting from the first character. Starting from the first character, what we need to do, we need to traverse through this complete characters. So first with A, H, and then E, and then L, like that. Okay. So what we need to do, we need to traverse to this complete character array starting from H and ending with D. So using for loop. So what we need to do is, inside this for loop, we need to create an empty string. Okay. Just I'm writing the code, sample code here. I need to create an empty string. So what I'll be doing is, so I'll iterate through this each character array, okay, starting from H, and then if it is not empty, what I'll be doing is, I'll append this character to this string. Okay, I'll append this character to this string until and unless that character is not empty. So first what happens, H will get appends when I iterate through this array, and in the second loop, E gets appended. In the third loop, L gets appended. In the fourth loop, L gets appended, and in the fifth loop, O gets appended. Okay. So now what I'll do is, if I have a space, what I'll do, I'll skip that. I'll skip this loop. That means I'll come out of this loop whenever I have an empty space. So now I'll be having what in this string? Hello. Now I'll be having in this string as hello. Now I'll print this length of this string, str.length as well as str. So str will give me hello and str.length will give me 5. Try to understand the logic. So if you understand the logic, it is very easy to write the program. So try to understand the logic. And then since after the space, right, what I'll do, I'll come out of the loop. Here I'll be having two loops. One is for loop, which will iterate through each character, and one is while loop, which will have this space condition. So in this while loop, I'll write a condition. If the character is empty space, what I'll do, I'll come out of that. Okay. And then what will happen, it will, now I'll iterate from this character W. Okay. Now I'll have W and the string is empty. Why? Because in this for loop, every time I am initializing. And then O. In the second iteration, I'll append O. Now I'll be having WO. In the third iteration, I'll append R. In the fourth iteration, I'll append L. In the fifth iteration, I'll append D. That's it. So now, since it has reached till the end of the array, now I'll have in this string what I'll be having value as world. Okay, world. So now when I print this, I'll be getting hello, the number of characters in hello as 5 and the world as 5. Okay, let me go over these steps once again. Here we have to find the number of words in a sentence and the corresponding character count of each word. First, create a character array. This is the first step. As I have told you, this is the first step. And now what is the second step? We iterate the character array using for loop. Inside for loop, we declare a string with empty implementation. This is the for loop. Okay, first for loop. Inside the for loop, I'll be declaring an empty string implementation. So whenever we found an alphabet, we will perform concatenation of that alphabet with the string variable and increment the value of I. Okay, what we will do, whenever we found an character, okay, we will append this to the string and then we will increment. So what happens if we increment? So it will traverse to the next character and then it gets appended here. Okay, now we will print the string variable with the length of the string. Okay, even before that there is one more step. So when it reaches a space, it will come out from the while loop, and now string variable has the word which is previous of space. So now what I'll be doing is, since whenever a space comes, what I'll do, I'll come out of the loop and I'll print till hello. Okay, why? Because this string will have till hello. Now we'll print the string variable with the length of the string. Hope you understand the logic. So I am going to explain you the program as well, and while debugging also I will show you how it works. Okay, so that it will be easy for you to understand this program. Okay, this is my Java class count characters. Count characters. So first what I will do, first I'll create a class called count characters. Okay, and inside that I have written a main method. Okay, and now I have to find what the length of, the number of characters in each word in the given string. So what is the given string? Hello world. Okay, and then I'll call count of string. Count of string. So here what I need to do inside this count of string, as I told you, first what we need to do, we need to create a character array. So how do you create a character array in Java? By converting string to character array by using toChar array method. So when we call str.toChar array, it converts the given string into character array. Now as I told you, I'll be looping through the each character, starting from H, ending with D. Okay, so now initially I will be 0 and I less than ch.length I plus plus. First what I'll be doing, I'll take a initial string with empty implementation. Okay, so when the character is not a space, okay, the character is not a space, what I will be doing, I will take that character and append it to the string. So what I'll do, I'll take a character and appending to the string s equals to s plus ch of I. So what happens, first I'll be having, okay, first character is H. Okay, now it will come to this loop, while I less than ch dot length, ch of I not equal to space. So ch of I not equals to space, it is true. What will happen? S will become S plus ch of I. S plus ch of I. S is what? Empty. Okay. So empty plus H. What it will become? H. Okay. Empty plus H. It will become H. Now I gets incremented. Now what is the value of I? 2. 2 less than ch dot length. Ch dot length is 11. 2 less than 11. Ch of I not equal to empty. True. Now what will happen? It will append E. Okay, initially we have empty and then H and then E. Now I gets incremented. Is I empty? Not an empty. Now it will append L. It will append L. Now what is the next step? Again I gets incremented. I less than ch dot 11, true. Okay. It is true. I starts with 0 and then 1 and then 2, 0, 1, 2. Now it comes to the third character. 3 less than ch dot length, true. Now it will take ch of I, that means ch of 3, and then it will print L. Now I is 4. 4 less than ch dot length. 4 less than ch dot length is 11, that is true. Now what will happen? Ch of I not equals to empty. Now it will print append O. Okay, hello. Now what happens? I gets incremented. I is less than ch dot length, that is true, and ch of I not equal to space, false. Okay, why it is false? Now ch of I after hello we have an empty space. Okay, after hello we have an empty space. So now what it happens? It will come out of this loop, and if s dot length is greater than 0, true. What is the s dot length? S is hello. Okay, s dot length greater than 0, it will print hello and the number of characters as 5. Okay, now after coming out of this loop, since it has space, now it comes here. Now it creates one more array, one more string, empty string here, and then it starts looping. Okay, with the character. Now till we have completed till here. Till here we have completed, iterating till here, hello space. Now it will start from W. So I equals to, what is the position of W? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now W position is 6. It will come to here. So I equals to 6. I less than character dot length, true. I plus plus. Now S will become empty. Initially S will be empty. Okay. Now it will come here. 6 less than character dot length, true. Ch of 6. Ch of 6 not equals to empty. What it will do? It will append to this string. So now the S will be W. Okay. Now it will increment I plus plus. Now I will become 7. Okay. 7 less than character dot length. 7 less than character dot length. And what is the next character? O. Is O empty? No. And it will append to this S. Now increment to I value. Now increment I value. Now what it will happen? I value will be R. Okay. Similarly it loops till world. After reaching the end of the character, it will have S as world. Okay. Now if I print if S dot length dot greater than 0, that is true. System dot out dot println, S will have world and S dot length will have 5 characters. Okay. This is the program. Let me run the program and show you the output. So hello is 5 and world is 5. Okay. Let me debug this program just for 2 loops and then explain you what exactly happens. So initially I starts with 0, okay, and then it will check the character dot length. What is the character dot length? 11. That's true. Hello world will contain 11 characters. Now string S, I am creating empty string. Now S will contain empty. Now what will happen? I less than ch dot length, okay, 0 less than 11, that is true. If you see, I contain 0, ch dot length is 11, 0 less than 11, that is true. Now ch of I is what? H. Is H equals to empty? No. Now what will happen? It will come into this condition. Inside it will come into this loop. Now S is what? S plus ch of I. That is H. Now increment the I value. Now what is the I value now? 2. Okay, just let me come to this. I value, first I value 0. Now I value will be the 2. Now check the ch of I. What is ch of I? L. So after E, now it is L. Okay. First H will come, then E, then L. So it will continue in this loop till O. Till O. Why? Because after O we have space and this condition will fail and it will come out of this loop. I will show that example here. I will show that how it comes out of this loop from here. Okay. Now string contains hello. Okay, now what is the value of ch of I? Ch of I is empty. Okay, so will it go into this loop? No, it will come out of this loop and it will print system.out.println string and its length. Okay, hope you understand this program. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Hi friends, welcome to Java coding interview questions. In this video we are going to see how to reverse a string in Java using recursion. So this is one of the popular and famous Java coding interview question asked by many interviewers. Okay, first we'll try to understand the logic and then we'll write the program. Okay, first one. So how do we reverse a string? So suppose I am entering a string as Sandy. So when we reverse the string, the output should be YDNAS. So this should be the order in which I should get. So there are different ways to reverse a string. In this video we are going to see reversing a string in Java using recursion. Okay, so hopefully you know what a recursion is. So if you don't know what a recursion is, it's a simple definition. So recursion is nothing but it's a process in which a function or a method calls itself. So within a method we are calling again the same method itself repeated over several times. We call it as recursion. Okay, so hope now you understand what is a recursion. Now we'll understand this program, how to write a program for reversing a string using recursion. So the first step what we need to do here is, so using the recursion, even before recursion, what we need to understand the program, how to reverse a string, and then we can write a recursion program. So first thing what we need to do is, okay, we need to extract this substring, okay, a and dy. So extract this substring and extract this first character or append this first character. Okay, append this first character in the step 1. So step 1, what we are doing, just repeatedly we need to do the same steps. Okay, first you need to understand only the first step. Once you understand the first step, it will be easy for you to understand the next steps, because since we are following the repeatedly the same steps. So in the step 2, what we are doing, again we need to extract only the except first characters, extract this string. Okay, what I am doing, ndy, and then append the first character. What is the first character? A, and then s will be there from the previous one. And again step 3, again extract the first character and append. Okay, what is the first character? N, and I am appending it to the end of the string, and the previous values remain same. Okay, A plus S. Step 4, Y plus extract the first character. What is the first character? D. Okay, so first extract the substring. So substring is Y, and extract the first character and append it. Okay, and then copy the previous one. So if you see, we got this output. Okay, so hope you understand what we are doing. We are substringing the, except the first character, we are doing substring and getting that string and appending the first character to the string. So hope you understand the logic. So we need to repeat it till the end of the string, or the string becomes null. Okay, till the last character. Let's write the program and see the output. So first I am creating a new class and naming it as recursive string recursion demo. Okay, we'll be just having only 2 lines of code. Okay, I mean main 1 line only, and we'll be having one more extra condition, and I'm writing the main method for the same. Okay, I have written a main method, and then I'm just creating a new string which I want to be reversed. So I'm saying Sandy. Okay, and then I'm creating a method private static string, and I'm naming this method as recursive string. So here we are going to write the code. Okay, so let's see why are we getting this. So this method must return a type of string. Okay, just add the return statement. Okay, we are done with that. Okay, so first what I am going to do is, first if the string is null, or string is nothing but s here, or s dot length less than or equal to 1, in that case what we need to do is we need to just simply return the string. Okay, s. Otherwise what we need to do is, so we need to call this same method, return recursive string, and what is the formula we need to write here? So first what we need to do, we need to accept the first character, get this substring. So how do we do that? In string we have a method called substring. So what this substring will do is, so when I say s dot substring of 1, it will give me the, okay, s dot substring of 1, it returns a string that is substring of string. Suppose if I say unhappy dot substring of 2, it will extract, it will remove these two characters and it will give happy. So this is what we want, right? So when I have given Sandy, it should remove this first character and it should give me the A and dy. So that is the reason I am using Sandy substring method. And then after that, what we need to do? We need to put the character at the first position. We need to append the character which is at the first position to the string. So what I am doing, s dot caret 0. See how simple it is to write a recursive program. So I'll explain you during the debug as well. First, let's run this program and see the output. Okay, we need to call this method. So recursive string of s, and running the program, and let's see the output. 1 second, we got an exception here. Let's see what is the exception. So it is going like never ending. So now I identified the issue. So what exactly the issue is? So earlier I have kept these parentheses here. So because of this reason, it is continuously going into the infinite loop, and because of that we are getting the stack overflow error. So now I have removed the parentheses from here and I have added here. Okay, so there is a lot of difference putting parentheses here and as well, rather than here. So let's run the program. So even before running the program, what we can do is we need to write one sysout. So sysout of recursive string of s. Okay, let's run the program again and see the output. If you see, the output is ydnas. Okay, during the debug, we'll run the program and we'll just go through these steps during the iteration. So you can correlate between the manual steps as well as the program which we have written. Okay. So I'm just debugging this as a Java application. So the first step, what is the first step? We are checking s is null or not. S is null, no. S is Sandy. And s dot length less than or equal to 1. Is s dot length less than or equal to 1? No. So now what I am doing? So I am calling recursive of string. So what is the first step? So substring the, except the first character, we need to get the rest of the string. So how do we get that? S dot substring of 1, which will return a and dy. And then we are calling s dot caret 0, that is s. And then we are passing this, okay, s dot substring of 1 to this recursive method. So every time we are calling, we are passing only this string, s dot substring of 1, not the entire string. So that is the reason earlier we got the exception. Okay, stack overflow error. So we need to just pass the substring of the first string only, not the s dot caret 0. So now the s will become a and dy. So let's see the second iteration. So in the second iteration, what we need to do? We need to extract a and then add it, pass it here, and then remaining will be n dy. Let's see the output, whether we are getting the same or not. So s dot substring n dy, we got n dy, right? And what is the s dot char at 0? A. Okay, char is a. Similarly, you can go through the remaining iteration. So this is how we write a reversing a string using recursion in Java. Hope you understand the video. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my videos. Thank you.
Hi friends, welcome to Competitive Exams Material channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to split a string in Java. So we can split a string in 5 different ways. So in 5 different ways we can split a string. So watch this video completely to know in how many ways we can split a string in Java. Let's see the
different methods, and then we'll see with the help of an example how to split an string. So the first way is by using split method in the string class. String class split method, we can split a string in Java. And coming to the second method, we can use pattern class split as stream method. So we have a class called pattern dot compile. Here we need to give the regular expression and just say split as stream. Here just you need to pass the string. This is the second method. So first method is string class split method, and second method is pattern dot compile reject split as stream string. And the third method is by using string tokenizer. And the fourth method is we can use string utils split method. In string utils class we have a split method where we need to pass the string and the expression on which we need to split the string. And the fifth method is by using Google Gua splitter. So we have a class called splitter which is available in the Google Gua jar. So we need to say splitter dot on and pass the expression on which we want to split, and then do split. And here pass the string. So these are the 5 different ways. Just pass the string here, on which string we need to split. These are the 5 different ways on which how to split a string in a Java. So let's go through each method with the help of an example, and then we'll see the output whether we were able to split the string or not. So given an example, suppose if I want to split a string 010-34567. So based on hyphen, if I want to split this string, so how do we split that string? Let's see an example. So I have created a class called string split demo. String split demo, and then I have written one main method. Now I want to split this string 091-123-4567890. So just create a string by using string literal. String s equals to 091-123-4567890. So this is used to create a string by using string literal method. So what is the first method we need to do? By using string dot split method. By using string split method we can split the string. So s dot split. So this split method accepts, rejects as well as the limit. So what we need to give here, we want to split the string based on hyphen. Just pass hyphen to this split method. So it will return the array of strings. If you see, it will return the string array. So when we use split method by passing the hyphen, it returns the string array. So string, I am saying string str. I am just writing one method, utility method kind of thing, where we will be printing the strings. I am just writing one method. I am saying print string method. So what this method will do is, it will accept the string array and it will print the strings. So just create one string array here and then iterate over the string array and then print system.out.println string. And here just pass one more argument saying method name, or just say approach, string approach. So while just printing the string, what you can do is just add one more line saying system.out.println splitting strings by using, just give the approach here. Okay, so I have written just one utility method. What this utility method will do is it will split the strings. Okay, it will just print the strings. Okay, what is the job of this method? It will just print the strings when we pass the string array and the method name. And what is this approach is, since we have 5 different methods to split the string, just I am giving the name of that approach, so that we'll come to know by which approach we are printing this string array. Okay, let's run the program. Okay, just now call this print string method by passing this string array. Okay, and give the approach name. What is the approach name? By using string split method. Str. Okay, here we need to give the static. Why? Because we are calling this method in the static context, so just we need to give the modifier static over here. Let's run the program and see the output and whether we are able to split the strings or not. Okay, if you see, splitting string by using string split method, and if you see here, we have split the string by using hyphen 091 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So we were able to split the string based on hyphen. Now let's see the second method. What is the second method? By using pattern.compile regular expressions dot split as string. Pattern dot compile method. So where this pattern class is available? So this pattern class is available in java.util.regex. Okay, if you see here, this is available in java.util.regex class, this pattern. So on this pattern.compile, what we need to do is we need to call pattern.compile, we need to call split as stream method, call split as stream method, and pass the string over this to this split as stream method, and call dot collect. Okay, so split as stream, we need to pass the string, and here pattern.compile, what we need to do, we need to give the regular expression on which basis we want to split the string. So this to this compile method, what we need to pass, we need to pass hyphen, and then on split as stream we need to pass string, and then dot collect dot collectors dot list. What we need to say? Collectors dot to list. And this method will return a list of strings. If you see here, it will return the list of strings. When we call java.util.stream.collectors.toList, it will return list of strings. Just say list of strings equal to just import java.util, and then here just print this string. Okay, I'm just copying this method, splitting the string. By which approach we are splitting the string? By using pattern class, and then print the system.out.println string. So if you see here, okay, this is the second method. What we are doing, we are calling compile method on the pattern class, and then on this we have one more method, split as string, and then collect. What these will do, it will split the strings. Let's run the program and see the output, whether we are able to split the string or not. If you see here, we are using splitting the string by using pattern class, and if you see, we were able to split the string. Okay, this is the second method. And let's go to the third method. Okay, by using string tokenizer. This is the third method. In the third method, we are using a class called string tokenizer. String tokenizer strings equal to new string tokenizer. And if you see this, here for this string tokenizer, we need to pass the string on which we want to split, and at the same time pass the delimiter. Delimiter means this hyphen is called a delimiter. Okay, so based on which character if you want to split, we call it as an delimiter. Okay, just I am creating a variable stri equal to new string tokenizer. Now, okay, let's see the importance of the string tokenizer class. So the string tokenizer class allows an application to break a string into token. So what is the purpose of string tokenizer? It will helps to break a string into the tokens. The tokenization method is much simpler than the one used by string tokenizer class. So the string tokenizer methods do not distinguish among identifiers, numbers and quoted strings, nor do they recognize and skip comments. So we can specify the delimiters, okay, either at the creation time or a per token basis. So we can specify the delimiter at the time of creation like this. Okay, if you see new string tokenizer of s comma hyphen. Okay, and even we can also return or set the delimiter after creation of a string tokenizer as well. So if you see string tokenizer stri equal to new string tokenizer s comma hyphen. Now what we need to do is call while stri dot has more tokens. Okay, while stri dot has more tokens, just say stri dot next token. We'll see what is the importance of this has more token and the next token now. Just call this as s2. And just print system.out.println s2. Okay, so if you see while stri dot has more tokens, let's see what is the importance of has more tokens. This has more tokens tests so this has more tokens tests if there are more tokens available from this tokenizer string. If this method returns true, then a subsequent call to the next token with no argument will successfully return a token. Okay, so what we need to do is, so after splitting the string, it will check whether it has any tokens. If there are any tokens, so what we'll do, we'll enter into this loop, and when we call next token, it returns the next token from the string tokenizer, and we can print this system.out.println s2. Let's run the program and see the output. If you see here, this is the 091 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. This is how we can split the string by using string tokenizer method. And the next one is by using Apache Common String Utils. In String Utils class, we have a method called split. Okay, so this String Utils class is available in org. So this is a third party jar, String Utils. Okay, so here it will help. I mean, we have a different utility methods which we can use, okay, very in a simple way, where we can perform different operations on strings by using this String Utils class. Okay, if you see here, this is the String Utils class which can be used to perform different operations on string. So it is available as part of Commons Lang, Apache Commons Lang jar. So I am using this string utils.split method and then pass the string and delimiter. What we need to do? We need to pass the string and delimiter. Let's see why are we getting this error. Okay, here just passed s. What is this s? This is the string which we want to split, and it will, this split method will return string array. So I'm just naming it as split array and pass this split array to this print string method. Okay, and give the approach name. What is the approach name? By using string util split method, so what I am doing, I am using split method based on the string utils class. In string utils class we have split method. For this split method we want to we should pass the string as well as on which delimiter we want to split the string. Let's run the program and see the output. So splitting string by using string util split. So this is the fourth method. And let's see the fifth method. What is the fifth method? We should use Google Gua splitter. So what is the fifth method? Using Google Gua splitter. Okay, we have a class called splitter in Google Gua package. Okay, in the Google Gua jar we have a class called splitter. On splitter just call on method. Here to this on method we need to pass separator or delimiter. Okay, and then call split method on which string you want to split. So I want to split the string s based on hyphen. Okay, based on hyphen I want to split this string s. So this will return what? It will return iterable string. Iterable string. Now I am just saying it as results or results, and just iterate through these results. Now print system.out.println string, and by using which approach we are printing this string? By using Gua jar. Okay, by using Gua jar we are using split method and splitting the strings. Let's run the program and see the output. If you see 091 Gua jar 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. So by using these 5 different methods, okay, we are able to split a string. What is the first method? Splitting the string by using string split method. And what is the second one? Splitting string by using pattern class. And the third one is by using string tokenizer we can split the string. And the fourth one is splitting string by using string utils split. Okay, this is string split and this is string util split. And fifth one is by using guvajar. So these are the 5 different ways in which we can split a string in Java. Hope you guys understand this video. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and watch my videos. Thank you.
Hi friends, welcome to Competitive Exams Material channel. In this video, we'll see how to compare two strings in Java without any built-in functions. Okay, without any built-in functions, we'll see how to compare two strings in Java. Okay, so let's try to understand the logic behind that, and we'll write the steps how to compare two strings, and then we'll go to the code. So first, what is the problem? Suppose this is the string. Okay, we are going to compare. This is the string 1. String 1 equal to Sandeep, and this is the string 2, and this is also we are going to compare. So how do we compare these two strings? So first create two strings. Okay, and then after creating the two strings, what we need to do is iterate over the first extract each character of the string. Okay, extract each character of this string and then compare with the second string. Okay, so if this character and this character are equals, return true, otherwise return false. Okay, so compare each character in the string with the first string with the second string, and then based on that return true or false. Let's write the program and see the output. So create a new class saying compare string demo, and here write a main method. Okay, I am just taking two strings, string str1 equals to Sandeep, and I am taking one more string str2 is equals to Sandeep. Okay, now I have two strings with me. Now what I am going to do is, so in order to compare each and every character in the first string with the second string, what I need to do? I need to get the character from the first string and then compare with the first character in the second string. Okay, so for that what I'll be doing is take a for loop. For int I equal to 0, I less than str1 dot length. Okay, str1 dot length I plus plus. So first take for int I equal to 0, I less than str1 dot length I plus plus. If str1 dot char at I not equals to str2 dot char at I. Okay, so what this means we'll see first. Try to understand this method as well as what we are doing here. So when we say if str1 dot char at I not equals to str2 dot char at I means first char at method. What is the purpose of this char at method? So it returns the character value at the specified index. Okay, an index ranges from 0 to length minus 1. The first character value of the sequence is at the index 0 and the next is at index 1 and so on as per array indexing. Okay, if str1 dot char at I not equal to str2 dot char at I, okay,
then we need to return false. Return false, or directly what we can say is, or we can take a boolean value. 1 second. Boolean is compare. I'm taking a variable called is compare. By default it will be false. Okay, so I will set this value of is compare to false. Otherwise I will set the value of is compare to true. Okay, finally I'll print the value of system.out.println is, so I can say both the strings are equal. Okay, first is what? String 1, Sandeep. String 2, Sandeep. If str1.char at I not equal to str2.char at I, is compare equal to false, otherwise is compare equal to true. So comparing each and every character in the first string with the second string by using this if. So we are taking a boolean variable, whether it is true or false. By default we are setting it to false. Okay, so if the character at I not equals to character at I, is compare equal to false. So let's run the program and see the output. So if you see, both the strings are equal, true. Suppose what I will be doing is, instead of Sandeep, what I will be doing is I am giving ABCD. Okay, let's run the program and see the output. Exception in thread, index out of bound, range 7. I less than string 1 dot length. Oh, okay, fine. Since the first string is greater than second string, we are getting this. So let's make two strings equal. And if you see, both the strings are equal. So if str1.char at I not equal to str2.char at I, is compare equal to false, break. Otherwise is compare equal to true. So system.out.println, both the strings are equal. So the only, why we got, here if you see ABCD, both the strings are not equal. But when we executed the program earlier, we got true. So why? Because so as soon as, if at least one character in the string is not equal to other character in the string, just we need to break. Okay, just write this break statement. What is the purpose of this break? So it will come out of this complete loop. Let's debug this program and see the output. So first one, for I equal to string 1 dot length. What is the string 1 dot length? 7. Okay, and then come to the next line, str1.char at I. So what is the char at I? 0. Why? Because index starts with the 0 and not equal to str2.char at I. So first str1.char at I is what? A. If you see, A. So A not equal to S. A not equal to S. So what happens? Is compare equal to false. Break. When we do break, what happens is, it will not execute this if as well as this for. It will come out of this. You see here. So as soon as I write this statement, it came out of this is, if as well as the for loop. And then it is printing both the strings are equal, false. Okay, both the strings are not equal. That means assume that I mean, since we got only one iteration, right? Let's change this values. So I'm making it as ABCD, and here I'm making it as ABDE. So let's run the program and see the output. So for I int equal to 0, I less than str1 dot length I plus plus. If str1 dot char at I not equal to str2 dot char at I. So what is the str1 dot char at I? A. So A is not equal to A. str2 dot char at I is what? A. So what happens? This condition is not satisfying. Is compare will be true. If you see, is compare will be true. First two characters are same. Now let's come to the next loop. What is the next loop? It takes the second character, that means index at 1. So it will compare B and B. So if str1 dot char at I is what? B. B not equal to B is what? False. This is B, and if you take str2, this is also B. So this is false. And then is compare will be true. Now if you see right, the third character, these third characters both are equal? No. If str1 dot char at I not equals to str2 dot char at I, is compare is what? False. So C is not equal to D. It will satisfy this condition. Function F6 is compare is false. I came out of this, and system.out.println both are equal, is compare is false. Okay, so hope you understand this program, how to compare two strings in Java, I mean without using any built-in functions. Okay, though we are using just str.char at I, we are not using any other functions like string.compare2 method or like others. We are just using the simple caret method, which is the present in the string class. Hope you understand this video. Thanks for watching this video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe and comment on my videos. Thank you.